My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site securedevicesolutions.com. Securedevicesolutions.com is a deceptive website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. These pop-ups by securedevicesolutions.com try to deceive and to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups may display a lot of misleading messages mentioning that your computer is horribly infected, that your PC may be vulnerable to viruses and threats. So some people may be really scared by this deceptive content. At the first glance, it looks as if these pop-ups try to help people to make their computer free of threats, but when you start interacting with these pop-ups and click on this Protect Now button, you may be brought to some other shady websites that may promote a totally different software. This software may be some potentially unwanted program or even more serious malware. I recommend you not to interact with these pop-ups by securedevicesolutions.com. My second recommendation is that you carefully research the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. But sometimes it could happen that visually the system is free of threats, but still you have some messy things taking place in your browser. You may see a lot of such pop-ups attacking your screen. I recommend to fix your browser with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.